Hello everyone, welcome back to Earth Detective. In today's video, we're gonna study quartz in thin section under microscope. So let's start. You can identify quartz by its anhedral form, colorless appearance, low relief, absence of cleavage under plain polarized light, and first order yellow or gray maximum interference color, wavy extinction under crossed polars. Here, wavy extinction means different parts go into extinction in different orientation on rotation of stage.